Hi, today I'm running for OnePlus 11 and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant option on this device. So let's launch first Google app and then tap on the right upper corner. After that, tap to the settings to voice section and go to voice mode. Just to use Hey Google option, we should click once on the switcher and just to tap to next, more, I agree on the end, once again to next, not now, and just to use Hey Google option you should add your voice model now. So just click to retain voice model and say, okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, reminds me to water my plants every Monday. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. So then tap to next, and when you'll say now, okay Google, hey Google, we can see that this option successfully activated. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.